it's Xuan here. Today we're gonna talk about 3D design. What is 3D design? Some good and bad examples, and the ultimate principle of 3D design. Okay, let's get into it. 3D means 3 dimensions, and design is using visual communication to solve problems. Together, 3D designers create 3D dimensional models, animations, and visual effects to be used in various creative projects such as films, video games, and advertising campaigns. You won't doubt whether these are 3D designs. But how about these? The answer is they are all 3D design. You might be confused because your brain tells you that's a flat 2D picture, but your eyes trick you to feel the depths of the abstract space in the design or artwork. This happens for a reason. If we date back to the time when we were first born, we first come with the tactile awareness, which is how you feel through your body, and then smelling, hearing, and tasting come afterwards. Finally, this powerful ability to see things grows and exceeds other sensory inputs, but we still use the sensory tools. That's why our brain gives the different answer from our eyes. Before sharing the examples of 3D design that I like and dislike, I want to say I respect all the 3D designers. They must have spent heaps of time and efforts on their projects, and good or bad is just my personal preference. The first case is Tipple from Robert Yankee. It's now displayed in Auckland Art Gallery. Tipple in Te Reo Maori means the perpetual night. Based on the Maori worldview, even though light exists, there are moments of movement in this darkness, and when the light reveals the world, that's the beginning of the restless movement of life. His work also reminds me of the kaleidoscope, which I played a lot during childhood, but the idea of combining the glass and mirror and the reflection is so smart. It's the repetition of the circle that tricks us to believe there's 10 meters, 50 meters long behind the mirror. The same trick is also used in the stage I love from the Chinese TV show Tron Season 4 final episode. The repetitive parallel red blocks spread on the 2 vertical screens. With the help of the camera movement, they make the space look infinite in horizontal level. And the interesting thing is when we adjust the width of the red blocks and introduce more blackness, the space seems bigger. While from the same TV show there is a stage I don't like. The stage includes more 3D modeling in the live scene, but the floating fragments just distract me from the performance. Also, the thickness and glassy texture on the models don't fit the vibe of the song very well. The secret is the form of our design object must follow the function of it. For architecture and product design, they have the term ergonomics, which means the design objects must interact compatibly with the user's body. In a 3D motion design, it's all about the texture, the color, and the movement. These are the primary elements to create the visual composition, and we communicate with the audience through them. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy the topic. Please follow and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!